Fucking bitch ran away. Oh, wow. Yell at his ass, go inside.
Go inside. Hey, go inside
go.
now.
Go.
Dude, he is fucking soaked. Go.
Go.
Go inside.
Go.
Go. Go inside. Go. Flops.
I'll walk with him.
Oh.
Go. Go. Go inside. Oh, fuck. Go. 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 Gosh. Go inside. Go inside. Go. Go. Yeah, I better be in the corner, bitch. Come on. Come on, you're disgusting. Come here. Go to cage. Go. He's over there. Bye, guys. You guys, we're on the way to the orthodontist for me.
Not the orthodontist.
What?
Just the dentist.
What's the difference?
Orthodontist is the guy that does braces.
The dentist. And I haven't gotten my fucking teeth checked in like, how long would you say?
You haven't gotten them done here, so that's like 3 years.
Oh my gosh, I was gonna say 2 years, but I haven't gotten them checked at all while we're here. I hate the dentist. I don't want to go. That's why I haven't gone in 3 years. But I have to go or else we won't be able to go to Alaska. So now I have to go.
She's also afraid of going back to the doctor because she's afraid that they're gonna be like, oh, you're due for a pap smear?
Yeah, I have to go to the fucking the doctor on Wednesday to like, I don't know, they have to like check up shit before we leave. Like, I don't fucking know. And I don't want to go because last year there was this lady that kept calling me and she was like, do you want cancer? You need to get pap smear, like blah blah. And then like the first time she called me, she was all nice. She was like, this is really good for you, like you should totally do it. And then the second time well, obviously I said no, and then she called again. She was like, I'm telling you, like you should really do it, you should get it done. And then I was like, no lady, like, and then I just kept saying I was busy. And then the fucking like next couple of times she was like, where's Chloe? Like all fucking pissed off. And they started calling Cody's work like just to get me to get a fucking pap smear. But we're going to the orthodontist. You guys just saw fucking Flopsy's bitch ass. We literally had to leave, right? We had to leave, and then I opened the door because it smelled like shit in the house. So I like to air out my goddamn house, okay? And so I opened the door, and like we didn't realize because Cody was in the shower and I was just out there, and Flopsy had escaped. and like I heard him crying, so I thought he was still in the house. Like I heard him like whining or whatever, and then by the time, like I was just getting everything ready and I was putting the dogs in the cages like for when we go, and then I realized I couldn't find fucking Flopsy's bitch ass, and then I realized the door was closed, and I was like, oh hell no, this nigga ran away. And so we were looking for him, and we went to our usual spaces because he's like either eating shit like in the farm or like doing something stupid or like chasing cats or foxes or whatever. And I'm like, go back there, like he's probably back there. We fucking start going back there. This fool's covered in fucking mud. Oh, and we still have to clean his ass when we get home. But we literally had to leave. My appointment's at 4 and it's 3:50. Wait, is this wrong?
Yeah. It's like 3:50.
It's like 3:50?
Yeah.
It's like 3:50 right now. So we're kind of in a rush. I'll let you guys know if I have any cavities. I probably do. Yeah, keep you updated. We're here. I don't want to do it. I don't want to go. I'm dreading this.
Oh wait, that hasn't so far. I shouldn't be showing that.
Look at my OOTD. Cody's OOTD. Where's the door? Oh. Oh god. Fucking retard. That door doesn't even have handles. Oh.
Oh fuck.
Cool. Okay. Oh my god.
We have to go up to the second waiting room.
Guys, there's a little bug area right there under the stairs. I lied. Wrong waiting room. I said wrong. No cavities in this bitch.
Oh
Oh
my
god! Were you surprised? Oh,
yes.
Sunset though.
Very surprised.
What do you mean you're very surprised? You guys, I hate brushing my teeth. I'll admit it. Okay, not very good at it. But look at these grills. No cavities, bitch. Did you have cavities?
I had one.
Oh.
Yeah. Tell me, that's why I'm like fucking surprised. Cause your ass brushes your shit way less than you.
True. That's my philosophy. That's my philosophy. Don't brush your teeth and you won't get cavities. I'm just kidding. When I was like in 7th grade or like in middle school or fucking elementary school or something, can you hold this real quick so I can do my hair? All of my family had like one cavity and I was the only one that didn't get cavities and they were so fucking pissed.
Fuck you. I'm so pissed off.
You really did have a cavity?
I had one fucking cavity.
Wow. You girl.
Driving,
Just a
holding
beast.
the phone.
Ew.
Yeah,
Oh
so
god.
Chloe has fucking almost perfect oral health.
Yeah, that's what he said. And
a
he said my
fucking-
blood pressure
and
was on point. What's good? He was like, because I was like, what's good blood pressure? And he was like 120 over 80, or what did he say?
Yeah, he said 120 over 80.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow, I just like literally threw that on my ass.
Well, it was a good guess.
And then he like showed like the nurse dude showed the guy my blood pressure and he was like, 103, I see you. And I was like, what? I was like, I honestly don't know what the fuck you're talking about. And he was like, that's good, like I'm impressed. I bet he's just bullshitting.
No, it actually is like a good blood
What, like, what is blood pressure for? Like, what does it determine?
It's like a sign of your health.
Like, what about it though? Like, yeah, no shit, it's a sign of your health, but like what?
I don't know, so it's kind of bullshit, but I think it's like if your shit's clogged or if like your heart's working too hard because you're fucking unhealthy as fuck. Then,
What's yours? Do you know yours? Damn, why am I so fat then? Huh? Shit. Perfect oral health. Perfect blood pressure. Catch me outside. What?
Commissary?
Yeah, let's go to the commissary. We need to get a couple things. Bro, I'm never letting this go for a while. I'm totally calling my sisters up and be like, what's good, motherfucker?
You're gonna be like, I had 5 cavities last time I went to the doctor.
We just finished getting all of our groceries. I think we spent more than we thought we were going to, but it's not that bad. Wait.
Take note that it's only like 5:20 right now.
Yeah,
it's
it's
completely fucking dark.
It's like 5 o'clock right now. It's been dark for a little bit. Well, we went in and it was like kind of dark. Now it's like really dark. And I'm really hungry and kind of trying to convince the school to get some like fast food, but I don't think it's working.
So we decided we're gonna get Subway. What are you gonna get, babe?
A foot long in my throat.
Anyways.
Just a veggie.
I'm fucking hangry.
Yeah, he is.
I haven't eaten. It feels like forever. I'm hangry. I'm gonna devour this shit.
Alright, got my stomach. Oh shit. Ooh. What's hard to do? Ooh, girl. Come to mama. I don't think so. There she is. You guys. I'm so upset. Okay. So, we were in the BX and I was shopping for Cody's Christmas gifts, right? And God damn it. So, I'm getting his Christmas gifts and I'm checking out and he's waiting for me by the like exit where like the metal detector thingies are, and the first time I go and they go off and I'm like, God damn it, like, okay, like, and then I go back and I see what's good with the freaking cashier and he checks and he's like, I don't think that was you. And I'm like, I was like, maybe it was the, I was like, maybe it's the watch, or maybe it was the watch to him. And immediately when I said that, I was like, oh fuck, Cody might like hear me have said maybe it's the fucking watch. And then and so he's like, no, I don't think it's you. And I go again and I go to leave again and it goes off again. And I look back at the dude and he's like, just go. And then I look at Cody and I'm like, I told him I thought it was the watch. And I just fucking told him that I got him a goddamn fucking watch. I'm so fucking dumb. Oh, shit. It's like fucking reaction to say that shit to somebody. You're like, I told him what I thought it was. So I literally was like, I told him I thought it was the watch. And then Cody was like, the what? And I was like, fuck my asshole. But that's my story, guys.
Oh man.
And now Cody knows something that he's getting, but it's whatever. It's fine. I don't even care. Guys, we completely freaking forgot. I just put chapstick all around. Oh God. That's how you know I'm a child. That's where I put my chapstick. Oh God. Focus. Anyway, we just realized it's the first time. Let's go. Yeah? I'm probably just gonna put music over that. But it's the first of the month, so Cody, you go first. That one's Cody's, that one's mine. Oh, you got regular?
Nope, it's a mix.
The chocolate?
Yeah. Yeah, boy. Give me that shit. Yo, what you saying over there?
Oh, look at the Christmas tree in my... Oh, look at that shit.
Underlay, mijo.
Okay, my turn. Anyway. Oh, baby.
Oh my God.
Where is it?
Good question.
Literally. What the fuck?
Oh.
Oh, dude, why do they make that so fucking hard? Literally, 1 is right here, 3 is right here. Can't even find 2. It's probably in the middle. Okay, fuck 2. Yes.
You fold it, baby.
Huh? Oh, you just fold it?
It's a snowman.
Aww. Do you want to build a snowman? Yay! Ew!
What?
You guys! It's fucking white chocolate! Oh, well, I guess there's...
Cheers.
I hate Christmas!
Cheers.
That was such blue balls. Are you kidding me? Oh, I missed completely. I have to like that shit.
Alright, whatever.
Goodbye. So right now, we're just editing the video from... Or no, we're editing this video, actually. We're gonna edit this video. And that's about it for today.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright, bye guys. I wanna watch something funny. Every time I walk back slowly away from Flopsy, just watch. Ready? Ow! That is all.
I don't want a lot for Christmas.